if you use PowerPoint charts in your presentation, then it might be sometimes handy to show a little bit of animation in your presentation. So rather than showing just a plain bar chart or a pie chart, you can actually show a quick animation when you actually show the slide deck, right? And so in this video, we'll learn how you can easily add this animation in less than 2 or 3 minutes. And so in order to add animation to the PowerPoint chart, you need to select a chart. And so I have a bar chart with 4 different categories, and then I have also listed the data, value, and so on. And this is a sales by category. And so I want to add animation. So usually I use appear or wipe or fade. Actually, that might be really handy. And so let's go ahead and click add animation. So all you have to do is go to animation tab and then click on add animation, and then let's click on the fade, right? And so if I just quickly just show what happened, if I click on it, you can see this entire chart is shown an animation as a single object, but we can do better. And so let's select this chart and then go to animation pane, again under animation. So here is the animation that we just added. And so let's click on this down arrow on the right and go to effect options. Okay. So there are 3 tabs. First is the effect, if you want to show or have some kind of a sound. But the one that is really interesting is this chart animation. So let's click on that. And so here you can see that entire PowerPoint chart is basically shown animation as a single object. But if you click on this drop down, you can see that you can actually create this animation not only as a single object, but also as a category or as a series. And so let's click on category and you will see what it happens. So if you look at here, there are 4 categories. And so if I click OK, you will see that animation is shown one category at a time, right? And so again, it's a quick and nice effect when you are in a PowerPoint presentation mode. Let's go back to effect options here. Let's go to chart animation, and this time we'll select the series. Okay, so in this case there are 3 series. There's a blue, dark blue, there's a gray, and then light blue, right? So there are 3 series, and so if we want to animate by series, then you will see that it actually animates the first series, then second and third, right? And so I think in this particular case, the by object or by category works much better. And so I'm going to select that. I can also go to timing, and by default it shows a very quick animation. But depending upon how you want to show your data, you can also change the duration, how it shows up. Ideally you don't want it to have the animation for too long, because people who's actually looking or listening to your presentation may not like that. And there are times where, if based upon the chart, you may want to repeat this animation. In this case, you just want to show it and then not repeat that. But maybe there is a particular kind of chart that you would like to continue to repeat. And so there's also a repeat option where you can show 2 times or 3 times. It'll repeat and then it'll stop, or you can keep repeating until you go to the next click or next slide, right? So in this case, we'll keep just no repeat and then click OK. And so now you can see that it's showing a nice quick animation. We also want to do one more setting, and so again let's click here. So right now it is set to one, like a start with a click. And so what will happen is, if I'm showing this animation in the slideshow mode, I have to click every time for each category to show up. And so that might take 4 clicks and may not be always handy. And so instead of doing that, let's go and do start after previous. If I select start with previous, then all 4 categories will show up right at the same time, and that may not look as cool or as good. And so I'll go and start after previous. And so now if I just quickly show you how it looks, you can see it shows nicely one category at a time, and then it just stops. Now I have a pie chart here, and the animation in this pie chart is looking even better. And so let's select this chart and go to add animation, and then let's do a fade again. And so again, if you remember, it always by default add it as a single object, but we can easily go ahead and go to effect options and then go to chart animation and change it by category. And as usual, I also want to I don't want to click every time, so I'll go here and then click start after previous. So now I have added animation for both bar chart and the pie chart, and this is the final look. And so you can see it already has added a nice little bit of edge when you're presenting your slides or pivot PowerPoint charts. And so I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please check out my PowerPoint tips and tricks playlist. I have a lot of these kind of tricks in that, and many different videos for that. And so please check that out at the end of this video. And if you like the content of this channel, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.